सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. सब अच्छा है. Everything is good. Everything is good. आगे बढ़ो. Move ahead. Move ahead. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. दूसरों को मत बताना. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. अपना वादा मत भूलो. Don't forget your promise. Don't forget your promise. संडे को आना. Come on Sunday. Come on Sunday. रात से पहले आ जाओ. Come before night. Come before night. दिमाग इस्तेमाल करो. Use your mind. Use your mind. दूर बैठो. Move away. Move away. गुस्सा मत हो. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. तुम बहुत कड़वे हो. You're so bitter. You are so bitter. इसे बाहर ले जाओ. Take him outside. Take him outside. इसे वहाँ ले जाओ. Take him there. Take him there. वो ख्वाबों में रहता है. He lives in dreams. He lives in dreams. वहाँ रुको. Stop there. Stop there. किसके लिए? For whom? For whom? किस लिए? For what? For what? ये बहुत भारी है. It's too heavy. It's too heavy. मुझे देर हो गई. I got late. I got late. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. ऊपर देखो. Look up. Look up. हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करो. Always help others. Always help others. तो क्या? So what? So what? तुम मेरी उम्मीद थे. You were my hope. You were my hope. वो खुद से बातें करता है. He talks to himself. He talks to himself. वो किससे बातें करता है? Whom does he talk to? Whom does he talk to? कभी मत बदलना. Never change. Never change. मेरे पैसे वापस करो. Return my money. Return my money. किसी के पास वक्त नहीं था. No one had time. No one had time. इसे अंदर ले जाओ. Take him inside. Take him inside. इसे यहाँ ले आओ. Bring him here. Bring him here. अच्छी सी चाय बना दो. Make good tea. Make good tea. इसे छेड़ो मत. Don't tease her. Don't tease her. कितना मतलबी. How mean. How mean. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon if you want to improve English vocabulary. And please like, comment and share my video to your dear ones.